strong storm with hail hits Tokyo. Today, the 19th, Thursday, localized thunderstorms occurred in the Kanto region in the afternoon. Wind gusts and hail caused damage to Hachioji in Tokyo. The Kanto region was covered by moist air spreading southward from the autumn rain front, and as the temperature rose, the atmospheric conditions became unstable. In the afternoon, rain clouds formed in the western parts of Tama in Tokyo moved from the east to the southeast due to the wind in the sky, and 28 mm of rain fell in Hachioji City in an hour. The heavy rain was accompanied by lightning, hail and wind gusts with a maximum wind speed of 21.2 meters per second. Damage was reported from fallen trees, including cherry trees toppled by the wind gusts. Heavy hail also damaged roofs and cars.